Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we're taking you on a nice little adventure. We're going to check out the RV and Motorhome Museum and Hall of Fame. I know there's a lot of videos out there on this. This is just our take on it, what we saw. So stick around. I'm going to roll the intro and then we'll show you guys around.
Hope you enjoy.
So here we are inside the RV Hall of Fame. I'll show you guys around here a little bit here in Elkhart, Indiana. So stay tuned for some excitement. It has a step down for us tall people. People thought teardrops was a new thing.
Place to sleep.
High tech. can't see in there, but 2 twin beds in the back. Bathroom. Not much for headroom in these. Here's your air conditioning. Boom. High tech.
Thank you.
Factory air. Bunk. So what do you think of it?
I thought it was interesting, seeing some stuff that I grew up around.
Yep, it was pretty neat. Brought back some memories of camping and RVing with my grandparents. But yeah, it's really neat in there. If you guys are in town, check it out. There is an entrance fee, but I think it's worth that.
It's worth it to help protect the heritage of it.
Yep, that's what keeps it going, is when we patronize it. Is that the right word?
Yeah, that's the right word.
Okay. But yeah, so if you guys are in town, check it out. I think it's worth the stop. We really enjoyed it. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment, and I will answer you. I answer all comments. So thank you, and catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.